Hello guys, I am Sagar Sununa and today I am going to discuss about the DNA, RNA and their types. Okay, so DNA and RNA are the nucleic acid that carry out the cellular process, especially regulations and expressions of the gene. Okay, so we can discuss there are two main types of the nucleic acid, that is the DNA and RNA. Okay, and both DNA and RNA are made up of nucleotides and each containing 5 carbon, that sugar is a backbone and phosphate group, and nitrogen is bases. Okay, so DNA provides DNA provides a code for the cell activities, while RNA convert that code into proteins and that carry out the cellular functions. Okay, the sequence of the nitrogen, that is A, T, G and C and G in the DNA is what that forms an organism traits. The nitrogen bases A and the T or U in the RNA always go together, and C and G always go together, forming a 5,3 phosphodiester linkage found in the nucleic acid molecules. Okay, so nucleotides, the monomer comprising DNA and RNA molecules consist of the nitrogenous heterocyclic in the base that can be purine or the pyrimidine, a 5 carbon pentose sugar and a phosphate group. Okay, so next is the genosomes. Genosomes is a cells that complete genetic informations pack as a double standard DNA molecule. Next is a monomer. Monomer is a relatively small molecule which can be covalently bonded together, monomer, to form the polymer. Okay, so type of nucleic acid, the two main type of nucleic acid, that is DNA and RNA. DNA is a genetic material found in all living organism and ranging from the single called the bacteria to multicellular mammals. It is a found it is found in the nucleus of the eukaryotics, in the chloroplast and the mitochondria, and it in the prokaryotic DNA is not enclosed in a member envelope, but rather free flowing within the cytoplasm. Okay, and the entire genetic content of cell known as a genosomes, and the study of genome is a genomics, and the eukaryotic cell, but not a prokaryotic DNA forms a complex with the with the histone proteins to form the chromatin, the substances of the eukaryotic genome. A genome may contain tens of thousands of the genes. Many genes contain the information to make the protein product, and other genes code for the RNA products. But DNA control all the cellular activities by turning the genes on or the off. Okay, so the next is the nucleotide. DNA and RNA are made up of monomers known as the nucleotides, and nucleotides combine with each other to form the polynucleotide DNA and RNA. Okay, each nucleotide is made up of 3 components, that is a nitrogenous bases, pentose sugar and a phosphate group. Okay, each nitrogenous bases in the nucleotide is attached to a sugar molecule, and which is attached one or more phosphate group. Okay, and then the nitrogenous bases are the organic molecule, and are so named because they contain carbon and nitrogen. There are bases because they contain an amino group that has a potential of bonding extra hydrogen and thus decreasing the hydrogen ion concentration in the environment, making it more basic. And each nucleotide in the DNA contain one or more 4 possible group, that is the adenine, guanosine, cytosine and the thymine. Okay, and the adenine or the guanosine are classified as a purine, and the primary structure they consist two carbon nitrogen rings. Cysteine, thymine and uracil are classified as a pyrimidine. They have a single carbon nitrogen ring, and their primary structure, each of the basic carbon nitrogen has the 3 different functional are simply known as by their symbol A, T, G and C, and DNA contain ATGC, whereas RNA contain AUGC. Okay, so in today's video we can discuss about the DNA, RNA, and means their types, means they can made up of from which component. Okay, so thank you.